you stop the story.
So cute you FYI. ये लोग पूरा डैमेजेस लग रहे हैं. अरे रहना चाहिए पर थोड़े टाइम में
बाल स्ट्रेट हो जाता है ना.
waste of my time. दिखाओ तो. New Year ready.
So guys, we have Lena with us. We are getting ready and Ella. So we all will be getting ready together for New Year party. Woo! This is how girls get ready, guys.
And next is the makeup.
And guys, look, my girlies are ready. Oh, look. Guys, we are going to Dubai Marina for our party. Guys, meet the host. Wait, no, yay! We are the host. Yeah. Thanks for inviting us.
You're welcome.
25 seconds later.
So guys, this one with my finger, you can see it's Royal Atlantis and it is Atlantis. So we will be able to see the firework of the Palm Jumeirah, and you can see all the crews, small boats, yacht, and of course the crowd here. Look at the crowd. It literally took us so much time to reach here at this destination, but it was all worth it. The weather is also nice.
Oh, I look so ugly. Can you see I got lash extensions? Yeah, that's the highlight of 2023. Yo,
And she wants in 2024? No, dude, lip fella, no.
I'm joking. I just want, as I said before, money and obviously to be happy and healthy.
Jasmine, what do you want in 2024 and what was your experience of 2023?
2023 kind of sucked, like kind of evil.
Okay.
2024, I want to get married. I don't know who to,
Okay.
but that's what I'm manifesting.
Yeah. So please share your 2023 experience and what do you expect in 2024 from yourself.
Maria.
My 2023 was really nice because
Because you met the love of your life. Yeah, that's the same for me. Ditto.
Okay, Tito. Okay.
Yeah.
2024,
Yeah.
I'm gonna be pregnant.
Put these guys' faces in it. Oh my god.
And it started from
It's
2023.
typical Indian albums.
Probably by
wedding
August.
album.
Probably by August, she's gonna be pregnant.
January, February, March, April, June, July.
Oh my god, it's such a plan.
By September, she'll have the baby.
So 2023 was a lot of fun, a lot of I met you. That's one of the highlight of the entire year, and a lot of insight. And I think 2024 is more gonna be about taking care of yourself, just being happy.
Okay.
I'm only two.
Oh shit! I already.
Don't you know who I am? You're going to regret the day.
I'm not drinking vodka. I'm not drinking vodka
I think you see it's warm.
So, Himani, how was your tour 2023?
So my 2023, I made it to Dubai, you guys. Woo! I met you all. And in 2024, I don't know what I'm gonna do in 2024. Let's hope for the best. But yeah, 2023 was nice and full of ups and downs. Aww.
Are you excited for the fireworks? Yeah.
Woo!
Let's go. Let's hear a song.
Your vlog. I'm taking over the vlog now. Bro, landscape bro. Yeah. Thank you. To be honest, yeah, I want to give a shout out to Jasmine for this drink. It is really,
My
really
drink is here. My drink is over. Shit, can you take us?
I got calling Zoe. I'm here. Yay! We are gonna see fireworks right now. We are all of us are standing in the balcony. You can see like the view I showed you guys earlier. We are going to stand here, see all the fireworks, and Happy New Year to you guys! Thanks for supporting me always. Thanks for watching my vlog all the time. I really appreciate you guys. And thanks for watching the New Year 2024 with me. I love you all.
Oh, did you saw it?
Yeah, in Indian accent. Like,
Happy New Year! Naya Saal 2024.
Alright guys, Happy New Year to all of you. I'll put some more videos along with after this. Have a great year ahead. Bye bye.